So you can do a Google search for Visual Studio Code, and it will be one of the first things that come up. The main official download page from Microsoft, and go to the operating system of your choice. Mine is Windows. And download. Then go to the download location and double-click on the exe that has been downloaded. The installation file, and it will start to install. Agree to the agreement. Click Next a few times, and it will just go through and start the installation. Then, when this has finished, you can just click on that. And you will see that Visual Studio Code has been installed. It has a welcome screen here, and you can choose different colors or themes. And choose different ones if you like. And I'm just going to stick with this one. So that's how you install Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code, VSCode, is a popular, free and open-source editor developed by Microsoft. It has a clean and intuitive user interface that makes it easy to navigate and work within. The central area is the editor where you can write, edit, and interact with your code. This is the main workspace where you'll spend most of your time as a developer, taking advantage of features like syntax highlighting, code completion, and debugging tools. On the left-hand side, you'll find the sidebar, which provides access to various features and tools, such as the File Explorer, search functionality, source control management, and project extensions. At the bottom of the window, the status bar displays useful information about the current file, project's development environment, including the programming language, line and column numbers, and Git status. Together, these UI elements created cohesive and productive coding experience in Visual Studio Code. And now to make a connection with VS Code to SQL Server. So you do that from here, the plugins. And you search for SQL Server. Microsoft SQL Server, and it will be the one that's published by Microsoft. Use that one. Click into it, and click Install. And that will take a little while for it to install. We will just wait. And when that's done, it will look like this. And these are the settings. Just click out of that, but click into here. On the left, you have this new icon. And that will try to connect. And then if it doesn't, click on the plus button. And start to fill in some details of your SQL instance, the name, and the username and password. So, logging on using SA and the password that I've created for that. And then you see that makes a connection, and you can drill into the database, the tables. and you can query the tables. And that's how you use Visual Studio Code to connect to SQL Server.